U.S. stocks, they turned higher Monday afternoon, reversing their earlier declines on strong gains in both materials as well as energy stocks. But first, on the U.S. economic front, existing home sales today, that was lower by 0.6% for the month of March, coming in at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.92 million. At the same time, over in the commodities markets, gold that rebounded by nearly 2%. This as buyers swooped in after the last week's tumble to a two-year low. So far, gold for the year has plunged by more than 15%. And shortly after the market opened, Google experienced a mini flash crash, collapsing 3.6% to $775 a share. This before recovering in a matter of seconds. Meanwhile, overseas, European shares, they closed narrowly mixed. This as Italy's President Giorgio Napolitano was re-elected for a second term over the weekend. And over in Asia, the Nikkei 225 index closed at its highest level in almost 5 years after leaders at last weekend's G20 meeting refrained from criticizing Japan's aggressive monetary stimulus policies. Now taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. The Dow Jones is a slight bit on the upside, 19.66 points to settle in at 14,567.17. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with earnings from Caterpillar, which posted earnings and revenue that missed Wall Street expectations, while also cutting its full-year outlook for 2013 to reflect a drop in demand for its heavy equipment from its mining customers. Halliburton today rallying after the oil field services company beat earnings expectations, this due to increased international business that helped trump weakness in North America. Both Netflix and Texas Instruments are the notable companies slated to post earnings after today's closing bell. And amongst techs, Microsoft jumped this after learning that an activist investor of Value Act Capital took a $2 billion stake in the software giant. And lastly, Apple climbed back to its $400 level after BGC Partners upgraded the iPhone maker to buy from hold.